Now start the Krebs cycle mechanism. Before starting the Krebs cycle, you remembered from 1 glucose 2 pyruvate or 2 pyruvic acids are formed, and from 2 pyruvate or the pyruvic acid in the link reaction 2 acetyl CoAs are formed. Then each one acetyl CoA enter in a Krebs cycle, means एक Krebs cycle में एक acetyl CoA enter होता है. In first step, here we can see acetyl CoA, which is 2 carbon compound, combines with the oxaloacetate, which is last product of the previous Krebs cycle, having 4 carbon, and change into first product of Krebs cycle, that is citrate or citric acid, which having 6 carbon, whereas CoA factor is removed. In the second step, citrate loses water molecule and converts into cis-aconitate or cis-aconitic acid. In the third step, cis-aconitate or cis-aconitic acid change into isocitrate by adding water molecule. In fourth step, isocitrate loses hydrogen ion and change into oxalosuccinate, whereas hydrogen ion combine with the NAD to form NADH. Now in the fifth step, we can see oxalosuccinate or oxalosuccinic acid, which is the 6 carbon compound, loses carbon dioxide and change into a 5 carbon compound, alpha ketoglutarate. In the next step, alpha ketoglutarate loses carbon dioxide and hydrogen ion both, and by adding CoA factor change into succinyl CoA, which is 4 carbon compound, and here hydrogen ion combined with NAD to form NADH. Succinyl CoA loses CoA factor and change into succinate or the succinic acid. At this stage, here substrate level phosphorylation takes place, means ATP generate. During this reaction, energy release, which is used to make 1-GTP guanosine triphosphate, and then GTP releases phosphate, and this phosphate is used to form an ATP. That's why here it is called the substrate level phosphorylation. The next step, succinic acid, which is the 4 carbon compound, by removing hydrogen ion change into fumarate, whereas in this stage hydrogen combined with FAD and change into FADH, यानी कि reduced form में ये change हो जाता है. In the next step, fumarate or the fumaric acid change into malic acid or malate by adding 1 water molecule. In the next step or the last step, malate or the malic acid by removing hydrogen ion change into oxaloacetate or oxaloacetic acid, which is the last compound of the Krebs cycle, whereas in this stage here you can see the formation of NADH, यानी कि जो हाइड्रोजन मैलिक एसिड ने रिलीज किया वो इस NAD ने अपने साथ उसको कंबाइन करके रिड्यूस हो गया और NADH फॉर्म किया. नाउ एंड ऑफ दिस Krebs साइकिल. अब इसके आगे दोबारा से जो लिंक रिएक्शन के थ्रू एसिटाइल CoA आएंगे तो वो दोबारा से Krebs साइकिल में एंटर होके अब इस ऑक्सैलोएसीटेट के साथ कंबाइन होके अगेन Krebs साइकिल जो है वो कंटिन्यू करेंगे. Few points related to the Krebs cycle. Number 1, in the Krebs cycle, what is the first product? The answer is citrate or the citric acid, having 6 carbon, and because of the first product citrate, this entire mechanism is called the citric acid cycle. Second thing, what is the अच्छा, यहाँ एक कन्फ्यूजन अक्सर स्टूडेंट को होती है कि फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट क्या है, और अगर ऑप्शंस में एसिटाइल CoA आ रहा होता है तो उसे स्टूडेंट चूज कर लेते हैं, विच इज़ रॉन्ग. एसिटाइल CoA तो लिंक रिएक्शन से आता है, इज नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ Krebs cycle. Second thing, what is the last product of the Krebs cycle? The answer is oxaloacetate, which is 4-carbon compound. And then third one, how many ATPs are formed in a Krebs cycle? The answer is 1. Number next, how many NADH form during a Krebs cycle? The answer is 3. And how many FADH form during Krebs cycle? The answer is 1. And how many carbon dioxide release during Krebs cycle? The answer is 2, because here you can see these are the two places from which we can see the releasing of carbon dioxide. Whereas the third one, carbon, here we can see releases during the link reaction, which is not the part of the Krebs cycle. As you remember, from 1-glucose, 2-acetyl-CoAs and 2 Krebs cycles are proceed. So from 1-glucose during Krebs cycle, or with the reference of 1-glucose, all things during Krebs cycle are multiplied by 2. Means from 1-glucose during Krebs cycle, 2 ATPs, 6 NADH, 2 FADH and 4 carbon dioxides are formed or released.